Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous summer 2025 wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future. And the outcome of this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, since this is not your personal reading, just leave it, okay? First, we have the Three of Wands. This is a fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Normally, this is the energy of an Aries. It doesn't matter. You could be dealing with a fire sign or an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. This is your lucky breaks. Your ship is now arrived. Others of you guys, you are very passionate and driven and you want to take an action further because you have here an assured success. It could also be that for some of you, you want to travel or somebody wants to travel towards on you. Take only what fits in your story. In the past, I feel like this person, a group of 3 people, didn't reciprocated your value. They never choose you. Now they have seen that you have an opportunity to succeed because you have an assured success and they want to approach you. This could also be the power of 3 in the past who are collaborating against you. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333. You could be born on the 3rd of the month. You could be 30 years old, 33 years old, or the person you are dealing with. This person, a group of people, now realize that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture. The grasses are greener on your side. And that's why they want to approach you. Because they have seen that you have an assured success. Could be a fire sign. Let me see. Your challenge in this reading is the Ace of Swords. I told you this is your victory, your breakthrough, your break free, and aha moment. Double confirmation. You have an assured success and also an assured success. Could also be that this person wants to tell you the truth. Could also that this is a new person and they wants to communicate with you. Could also that they wants to offer you something. Could be a new ideas, a new perspective, or a new project. Could also that this is a signing of contract. Be very careful because Mercury is in retrograde tomorrow. The 17th of July until the 10th of August. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You look, It could also that this is related in the court. You are going to receive the decision from the court, and this is the truth. If you are on the right path, this is the truth about the situation you fought in the past. And this is your challenge, communication from either an air sign or a fire sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. Your spiritual lesson here is, this is the Queen of Wands. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. It could also be a fire sign. This is your energy. You are very passionate and driven. You sit in your throne. Not only you are confident and independent person, but you are looking good and you are doing good. You take good care of yourself. You look so attractive, magnetic, and there are lots of people who are captivating on your aura. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. In tarot, there is no gender. You look so gorgeous, attractive, charming, and there are people viewed you as an inspiration because you give hope and inspiration to other people, and this is a leadership position. This person could be a fire sign who is adoring and admiring you. Could also that this person wants to have a passionate relationship with you. But since this is your spiritual lesson, you have learned your lesson from this person. Could be a Leo. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Could also be an air sign or a fire sign. Because these are the cards come out here. Let me see. The other past situation is the Eight of Cups. Of course, this is your energy. You walk away in this particular situation because somebody is emotionally detached. Somebody who didn't reciprocate your love, your value, your compassion, and your generosity towards them. Could be a group of 8 people, or you are dealing with a Pisces. You could be, dealing with this person in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. And for some of you guys, of course, you did the right decision by walking away because a Scorpio will not fit in a certain situation where we are not reciprocated. And that's why I fully understand that you move on. You love yourself unconditionally. And there are people who believe that they have unfinished business with you. They are confused. This person could be Pisces, could also be a water sign. Whatever they have done on you in the past, number 8 is what goes around comes back around. Rest assured that they are now receiving their karma. This is related to your abundance. This is related to your self-mastery. This is related to your transformation and rebirth, your 8th house. Let me see. The present energy here is the Hangman. Oh my gosh. Somebody is sacrificing in silence. Others of you guys, I feel like this person view you that you are isolated. Could also be that this person is struggling because in the past, they wants to isolate you. Could be a Pisces, not necessarily, could also be any other sign. It could also be that this person tried to isolate you, and that's why this is your feeling like in isolation. Or they viewed you that you are isolated because they viewed you as well that you are no longer engaging your energy to them. Somebody here is sacrificing in silence because these are their wishes on you. You walk away. You look because of what they have done on you. I don't know what they have done on you. A group of 8 people. The power of 8 who are collaborating against you in the past. Now they are sacrificing in silence. I don't think that this is your energy because you have an assured success here. The Ace of Swords and the 3 of Wands, and you are in this energy of the Queen of Wands. That's why they are sacrificing in silence, because they couldn't believe that you are in this energy of the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Three of Wands. A victory after victory, the milestone of your success. By walking away, you learn to love yourself unconditionally. Because in the past, they want to sacrifice you. They want you to sacrifice. You know why? Because of jealousy and envy. This could also be in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Out of jealousy, they want you to sacrifice. They want to isolate you. For some of you guys, you are not isolated. You choose to be in a solitary mode. It could also be that somebody here needs to contemplate, because somebody here is feeling stuck, feeling bored. Could also be that this person's life is twisted up and down because of what they have done on you. Could be a Pisces. Double confirmation, because the Eight of Cups is also embodied the energy of Pisces. Could also be any other sign. A Leo, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a fire sign is involved here as well. Take only what fits in your story. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to contemplate, to find a sacred space in order for you to know what is the reason you are feeling like in a limbo. Why you are confused or feeling stuck. Let me see. The future energy is the Nine of Cups. This is again a Pisces energy. You could be dealing with a Pisces or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It could also that this person is daydreaming and fantasizing on you. You are their dreams come true. Could also that this is your ex. Could also that this is the group of people in the past who are coming against you. Could also that they are now drinking. A group of 9 people, a group of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 999, 888, 8998. This could be the people as well in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For some of you guys, they have no access in your life, and they are just daydreaming and fantasizing because you have victory after victory. The Ace of Swords and the Three of Wands, plus you are in this energy of the Queen of Wands, and you love yourself unconditionally. You have no more access with this person or group of people because they tried to sacrifice you. I don't know what they have done on you. Could also be that they did love spells, money spells, black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. And now that you have your dreams come true, they couldn't celebrate with you. For some of you guys, if this is your ex, they are drinking too much. Could also be a group of 9 people who are collaborating against you. They are drinking too much because their plan didn't work. It backfires on them. Because number 8 is what goes around comes back around. And that's why you are living your dreams come true. You are living your wishes. The universe advises you to make a wish because this is the future. Your wish is being granted. Of course, because you love yourself unconditionally. This is your abundance, your 8th house. And you're standing in your truth. And that's why this person, a group of people are feeling stuck, isolated, sacrificed in silence. Because their guilt eating them alive. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is a new person. This person is daydreaming and fantasizing on you. It could also that this person is feeling stuck in the old situation. Could also be in a toxic relationship. Could also that this person is moving on from a toxic situationship. Let me see. Your attitude is the 6 of Wands. This is a Leo energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be a fire sign. Could also be a group of 6 people who are now sacrificing in silence. Includes Pisces, Leo. And a group of 6 people includes an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, because you have success and recognition. Because they failed to make you feel like in a limbo, that you are sacrificing in silence. They failed to isolate you. You are isolated yourself for some of you guys because this is what you want from this person or group of people, because you don't want to communicate with him. And they view you that you are in isolation. But you don't care. You have her an assured success. You look, this is recognition. Could also that you are dealing with a group of people who are in the spotlight, or you are in the spotlight and they are triggered with your lights. They want to dim your lights. They want to have your attention. They are sacrificing in silence. You know why? Because they couldn't believe that there are people who are supporting you. That the universe has your back. That's why you have her success and recognition. I don't know what this is all about. Congratulations. It could also that this is a new person and this person is recognize you. And that's why this person also daydreaming and fantasizing on you. This person could also be in the public eye, or you are the one in the public eye. Congratulations, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is related to your hard work. You are being recognized here. I don't know what is the nature of your job, but not all people are happy with your success and recognition. Some people are sacrificing in silence because they are guilty of what they have done on you in the past. Pisces, Leo is involved here, a water sign, a fire sign, and an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A collaboration of 6 people, a collaboration of 9 people, and 8 people. Can you imagine how powerful you are? A collaboration of 8, 9, 3, and 6. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 666, 96, 69, 98, 86, 68, 63, 36. These numbers are significant in this reading. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that they need your attention. Because these are some people in the past, a minimum of 6 people who are not happy with your success because of jealousy and envy. Let me see. The outside influence here is the Hierophant. This is a Taurus energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Taurus, a Leo, or you have a Taurus or a Leo in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Could also that this person engage you to a practitioner, doing cast spells, love spells, money spells, black magic, witchcraft, because they doesn't want you to continue your work, because they are triggered with the truth. Could also that this person is a spiritual hater, especially if your job is, related to spirituality. Others of you guys, it could also that this person wants to marry you, or there could be a marriage here is over. Could be that you are dealing with Taurus or Leo, or you have a Leo or Taurus in your birth chart. For some of you, it could also be any other sign. Somebody's marriage here could be over because you walk away, because this person betraying you in the past. Now they are sacrificing in silence. At this is related to a marriage situation. It could also be related to your faith and commitment. You have faith to the Divine Most High, and you are advised to trust your path, your journey, because you are divinely guided and protected. Somebody have viewed you as a teacher, or they are learning from you. Could be a Taurus or a Leo. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see your hopes and fears. Is the 2 of Wands. Of course, you put your own destiny in your own hands. You are determined to put your destiny in your own hands, because there are people, especially if you're going to work with somebody else, they only wants to destroy your creativity because of jealousy and envy. They will steal your creativity, because they doesn't want you to succeed. And because of that as well, you are determined to put your own hands, to put your own destiny in your own hands. You are hatching many ideas. Could also that these are the couple who are now, wants to approach you. Could also that they are now planning to approach you. Somebody who didn't choose you in the past. Could also that this is a third party situation. They choose the other one. And now this person is realizing that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture, but the grass is greener on your pasture. Could also be that this person or group of two people or a couple wants to travel towards on you. Because they have seen your success, because they couldn't isolate you. You walk away because you are tired and sick with a BS. Others of you guys, you don't need them anymore in your life because you have here success and recognition and you knew the truth about this person or group of people. Could also be that they are the one who did black magic, cast spells, love spells, witchcraft. Could also be a collaboration, a group of 9 people, 8 people, 6 people, 3 people, and a couple involved here who are doing or involve you this. A group of, could also be a group of elite or an institution and entities. I don't know what they have done on you. They tried to swap your destiny. By all means, they want to throw you under the bus, or they tried to throw you under the bus. And now it backfires on them because number 8, what goes around comes back around. You walk away. You leave them behind. Now they are the one who is sacrificing in silence. You look. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let me see. The outcome is the Ace of Wands. I told you, your lucky breaks again. You have here an assured success after an assured success because you walk away and you learn to love yourself unconditionally. That's why you have victory and recognition here because you stand in the truth. You knew the truth. You also knew what they have done on you in the past. This could be a new beginning of creative spark. It could also that this person wants to start a passionate relationship with you, or they wants to offer you a creative spark, and it will end up to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Could be a fire sign. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are very passionate and driven. And aside from that, you take an action with your dream because you want to bring your dreams into a reality and align with your passion. There are lots of people who are captivating with your aura. For some of these people, guys, they want you to be pregnant if you are single, negotiable, and available. Because I didn't say that they loves you. Could also be that this is only a fling, a one-night stand. This is not a real deal. This is only like, yeah, I told you, an adventure. Or they talk you as an adventure in the past. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Clarify me, Father. Why the Hangman in this reading? Tell me more about the Hangman here, please. It is clarified as an experience. They viewed you as an experience that you are innocent. That's why they tried to isolate you. You look, because for most of you guys, you look so innocent. A Scorpio looks like innocent because we will not show our capabilities. We are not, we are not boasting our knowledge. We will not tell to people, I can do this, I can do that. And that's why they viewed you that you are an innocent. They tried to isolate you, that you will suffer in silence. Now it backfires on them because you walk away. You leave them behind. 8 of Cups. What goes around comes back around. Now, they are the one who is sacrificing in silence because they misjudge you, that you are not, you are not having no experience. I'm sorry. And I feel like for some of you guys, this person is washing their hands. They will say, no, I didn't do that to Scorpio. I am innocent. You look, could also be a group of 8 people. The power of 9, the power of 8, the power of 6, the power of 3, the power of 2. And this person is involved here, the Pisces. And this group of people, Leo, Taurus, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And they are just telling you, oh, I am not involved. They are just washing their hands. They are not guilty. Because these are the people who are not accepting the consequences of their action. They denied, but they are sacrificing in silence. They want to say that they are not guilty, that they are, they are innocent. The truth is they are planning this everything. Because they will not accept the consequences of their action. They will say, oh, I am not guilty of what I have done to Scorpio. They are planning this against you. They are collaborating against you with other people. And now, they want to wash their hands. They are blaming one another. I didn't do this, I didn't do that. It was the Scorpio, do this, do that. Because everything backfires on them. The 8 of Cups as you walk away. The Caspils, the black magic. You have success and recognition here. You look. You have victory after victory. Now, they couldn't celebrate with you. That's why they are drinking. They are blaming one another. I am not guilty. I am innocent. Oh my gosh. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the Three of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as this is radical acceptance. It could also be that you are dealing with a group of people who are racist. Could also be that somebody accuse you that you are racist, or you are dealing with a group of people who are racist. And they couldn't accept you. Could also be that you belong to other nationality, or you live in a particular country where people are racist. I don't know. Take what resonates, vice versa. And you look now, because in the past, they never value your word. Now they want to approach you. Could also that they are collaborating against you. A fire sign is involved here. A group of 3 people. Take only what fits in your story, but you don't care. You walk away. Now you have success and recognition. He wants to communicate with you. Why the Ace of Swords in this reading, please? It is clarified as, I told you. You look, co-creation. You are co-creating to the Divine Most High. And that's why you have success and recognition here. You walk away from this person, a group of people, because they are not reciprocating your value, your worth, your work, your love, your support, your everything. You walk away, you love yourself unconditionally, and you're determined to put your own destiny in your own hands. You look the 2 of Wands. You are in this energy of the Queen of Wands. You know the truth. You have lots of wisdom and knowledge. And that's why they are now sacrificing in silence, because you have success and recognition by walking away and learning to love yourself unconditionally and doing your work. Now they are washing their hands that they are innocent. It was you, Scorpio, has the problems, not us. Can you imagine? They are collaborating against you and they will twist the story. Oh my gosh. You look, you are co-creating to the Divine Most High. Could be a Leo is involved here, or a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Now they want to collaborate with you, not against you, because they have seen your success. That's the people who are fake. A group of 6 people involves a fire sign. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Wands in this reading, please? It is clarified as breadwinner. You could be a breadwinner, or they viewed you as a breadwinner, or somebody here is, being a breadwinner. Could also that this person is strongly attracted on you, or they wants to seduce you because they view you that you are a breadwinner. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father, why the Hierophant in this reading? Please tell me more about the Hierophant. It is clarified as, this is Clarified as clarity. For some of you guys, it could also be that they wants to tell you the truth. I don't know what you have done on you, but you already knew the truth. This could be a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart for some of you. Could also that this person is a new person and they wants to tell you the truth about their marriage, or if this is a single person, they wants to tell you that they wants to marry you and they viewed you as a marriage material. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the Queen of Wands in this reading, please? It is clarified as... It is clarified as go with the flows. You cannot control everything. Could also be that somebody here wants you to open your heart once again if you are not, vulnerable to them. Could also be that for some of you guys, you go with the flows and you take an action with your passion because you want to bring it into a reality and align with your passion. And now you have success. You did it. That's why you are not wrong by walking away with this person or group of people who are not reciprocating your value, your support, your love. And you have success here while they are sacrificing in silence because these are the wishes on you to isolate you, to sacrifice you in silence. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates with you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.